All right, let's dive right into this explainer and tackle the ultimate solution to a massive modern headache. If you've ever tried to scale your outreach, maybe apply to dozens of jobs, or just communicate with a huge client list, you absolutely know the sheer exhaustion of manual bulk emailing. It's tedious, it's soul-crushing, and honestly, it just eats up your most valuable resource, which is your time. So today, we're going to explore how a tool called BulkPilot is completely changing the game.
I mean, look, we have all been this person at the desk at some point. You're completely overwhelmed, staring at a mountain of resumes or client lists, and you suddenly realize you have to send 100 individual emails before tonight. The clock is ticking, your coffee's gone completely cold, and the sheer volume of repetitive data entry standing between you and your goal is literally paralyzing. It's what we call the hiring headache, though, to be fair, it applies to sales and general communication just as much.
Think about that agonizing drain on your time. You know the drill. Open Gmail, attach the resume, write the email, hit send. Okay, great. Now go do it 99 more times. It really begs the question, why are we working so hard to send the exact same email over and over again? It's a massive bottleneck. But like the quote says, there absolutely has to be a better way. Which brings us to section 1, enter BulkPilot, the game changer. Now, the core promise of BulkPilot is beautifully simple. It's designed to turn hours of manual repetition into a single-click breeze. The whole interface is built around one concept: smart, secure, and efficient email sending for everyone. So instead of fighting with your inbox, you get this streamlined dashboard that essentially does all the heavy lifting for you. And this new, simplified workflow, it's literally just 4 steps. Step 1, add your recipients. Step 2, attach your file, like a PDF resume or whatever you need. Step 3, write your message just the one time. And step 4, hit send to all. That's it. You set it up once, click the button, and then you just let the app do all that repetitive background work while you actually go on with your day. Moving on to section 2, smart delays and deliverability. BulkPilot actually manages deliverability right from the app itself. You can easily set up your secure SMTP configuration right there in the dashboard, and then you get to utilize their smart delay system. And guys, this is where the magic really happens. You have complete control over the pacing of your outreach, which transforms what could be a risky bulk blast into a highly controlled, really safe delivery process. Let's actually break down what that means. Smart timing control is basically the process of spacing out your email delivery. By pausing between each send, maybe for 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or even a full minute, BulkPilot intelligently mimics real human behavior. And that is absolutely crucial because it avoids triggering those automated spam filters that email providers use to block bulk blasts. It essentially guarantees your resume or your pitch actually gets seen by human eyes, instead of just getting buried in someone's junk folder. Next up is section 3, privacy you can trust. So your data stays private and they never read or store your emails. The app actually utilizes Gmail SMTP's secure app password support directly on your device. What does that mean for you? Well, it means your highly sensitive job applications, your proprietary client outreach lists, all your personal data, it stays entirely under your control. There is literally no middleman server snooping through your attachments. And I really want to emphasize this number: 0. That is exactly the number of emails BulkPilot stores on their servers. 0. And interestingly enough, it's also the exact number of ads you're going to see in the interface. They guarantee a clean, smooth, and entirely private experience, which, let's be honest, is incredibly rare in today's app ecosystem. Your data is yours alone. Which leads us to section 4, send smarter, not harder. Think about who really benefits from this. It's absolutely ideal for job applications, letting you blanket the market efficiently without losing your mind. It's perfect for business outreach and sales professionals who just need to contact a ton of leads. And it works wonders for client communication, like sending out bulk notifications or updates. Basically, whatever your use case is, if you need to reach multiple people with the exact same core message and attachments, this entirely changes your workflow. The contrast here is just undeniable. The old way means hours of repetitive attaching and writing, a super high risk of landing in the spam folder, and being literally trapped at your desk clicking a mouse for hours. But the BulkPilot way, you set it up in minutes. You utilize automated background sending, which means the app works while you literally go do something else, and you get protected deliverability through those smart delays. You're going from manual labor to totally empowered automation. So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. Why spend hours doing what BulkPilot can do in a single click? Send smarter, not harder. If you are ready to reclaim your time, lower your stress levels, and guarantee your emails actually reach their destination, it is definitely time to rethink your workflow. You can download BulkPilot Bulk Mail Sender Pro today on Google Play and finally conquer your own email mountain. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.